beautiful people, welcome to Closet Confections. I'm your host Kendra, and today we are talking about the LEMLEM by H&M collection. Yes, I have been waiting with anticipation for this collection to drop, so I was able to snag just a few pieces, but I want to share my thoughts with you guys. And of course, while I was at it, I also picked up a few other pieces from H&M because I couldn't resist myself. And I'm going to share those with you as well. So this video will be short and sweet, and without further ado, let's get into it. Alright peeps, so first off we have this gorgeous linen blend caftan from the LEMLEM collection. And I just think these colors are so gorgeous. They just remind me of like a seaside escape. Oh, it's beautiful. And I really love this like contrast print on the belt that also continues along the side. So I'm 5'7" for reference, wearing a size large, and you can also see this contrast tape going down the sides as well. So this is linen and it is a bit see-through. So normally I might wear, I don't know, like a slip or some like shapewear shorts underneath this just to kind of keep you from seeing through everything outside in the sunlight especially. This linen is substantial, like it's a bit heavy, which is one of the reasons it gives me pause. So I think the dress is gorgeous. I love the drop sleeve. I even love the puffiness of the sleeve. I kind of push it up to enhance the puffiness even more. And of course, I love the fact that it has pockets. You know your girl can't resist a dress with pockets. So in any case, one of the things that gives me pause is just the weight of the dress. So it's linen, but it's like a thick, substantial linen, which I think makes the quality feel amazing, especially for H&M and at this price point. But I'm worried if it might be a little bit warm for summer. Also too, the dress is long. I kind of wish that it were shorter, like above the knee. Like I love a good midi dress, but I don't know, for some reason I feel like this dress I might like more if it were shorter. And also too, if it had more of like a fit and flare shape. So I don't really have much of a snatched waist at all. And so sometimes I find like these straight up and down sort of like column dresses aren't necessarily the most flattering on me. So that being said, I love the dress. I think it's gorgeous, but I'm on the fence about whether or not I will keep it. So let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, so we have another beautiful dress from the LEMLEM collection. This one is also in a linen blend, and I love it. It's so cute. So this one most definitely is designed to be a beach cover-up. As you can see, the top portion in the front is very low cut. It just has this little tie closure here. And I'm giving you guys a sneak preview of my upcoming affordable swimwear video for curvy ladies, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm wearing it with this white bathing suit that I got from Shein, and I love it. Again, this color pink I think is so soft and pretty. I love this linen. This one to me doesn't feel as rough or as weighty as that white dress, so this one I could definitely see wearing on a hot summer's day. It also has that contrast detail here on the shoulders and also around the cuff on the sleeves. And I love the length of it. I love this little, this pin tuck little detail at the bottom. I think this is so cute. And let me flip the camera around and show you guys the back. All right, so here is the back of the dress. And like I said, this is definitely meant to be a bathing suit cover up because you can't really wear a bra with this one. So like I said, depending on how you roll, you might be able to get away with this. It's just like a dress that you wear. I don't think that I will be doing that, but I just wanted to show you guys how that looks in the back. So here's the full look again. You can just toss on a little beach bag, throw on some sandals, and you are ready for a day on the boardwalk. Yes. All right, peeps. So last and unfortunately least from the LEMLEM collection is this dress here, which unfortunately for me is a fail. Yeah, I don't know what is going on with this dress. It is not at all what I envision. I don't know. I don't even know if it's just I mean, yes, it is my body type, but I'm not sure who this dress will be flattering on. And I will pop a picture up to show you guys what it looked like on the H&M website. And even the model's angles are very deceptive. Like I had no idea that it would look like this. So I am normally all about a loose, free-flowing maxi dress, but this is just not it. I feel like it makes me look like I'm shaped like a penguin. Like everything is just really wide in the middle, and then it weirdly tapers like right at the knee. I don't know what's going on with this. Let me show you guys the back of this dress. This is what really got me. So here's the back of the dress, and I left on that white bathing suit that I had on before, and just look how low that is. I mean, I guess this one is definitely a cover up because I don't see any way in which your booty crack would not be showing. Like I tried it on without the bathing suit, and I think this video would have gotten banned, but just look at that. So I don't know, I couldn't see the back and that it was this deep, but yeah, this one is definitely getting returned. So yeah, just goes to show you, unfortunately, H&M in New York City, at least, you can't try things on in person. So that's why I've been kind of going ham with ordering things online or just buying in bulk. I know you guys are probably like, Kendra, why do you keep buying so much stuff from H&M? But it's just because I have to experiment. So I just buy as much as I can that I think will look cute, and then we try it on at home and see what works and what doesn't. So I will have a lot of returns, definitely including this one. I'm still on the fence about that white stripe one, but because I don't want to end on a bad note, the next three pieces I'm going to show you are not from the LEMLEM collection, but I absolutely adore these pieces and I think you will like them too. So let's do it. All right, peeps. So next up we have this amazing oversized trench coat. I think a trench coat is just a very classic piece. Always got to have one in my wardrobe. And I was looking for one in particular that was longer. Like I wanted one that kind of hit me mid-calf. So this one is perfect. I already have a shorter one, and I love the kind of oversized fit of this one. So it has like the drop shoulders, and I kind of pushed up the sleeves a bit. You can see here it has like a little adjustable sleeve. So if you want to make the cuff a little bit tighter, you can. But I love this one. I think it comes in like 2 or 3 sizes. This is the large/extra large, and it's quite oversized. So I probably could have sized down, but I do like this sort of loose baggy fit. I think it's so retro, kind of 80s-ish, and I just love it. What I like about this one is because it's just loose and oversized, it just dresses up an outfit. I think like if I just had on jeans and a pair of like sneakers, I could just throw on this trench coat, put on some red lipstick, and just look instantly polished and put together. I know, don't ask me why I still have this dress on. But I just wanted to show you this jacket without making it a big to-do. But look at this oversized white linen blazer. I love this so much. So in the spring especially, and even like summertime too, when you have those like chilly nights and maybe you're wearing like a little slinky dress and you don't want to wear, like sometimes I feel like a cardigan is too dowdy. And then a lot of jackets are too heavy. Like I wouldn't want to necessarily wear a trench coat in the summertime. So I feel like this white linen blazer is like the perfect thing. So I love that it's oversized. It's just a single button, it's single breasted. And so for me, I have a large chest. So I feel like this low button stance definitely de-emphasizes the bust area. But because the jacket is oversized, I feel like I can wear a lot of things with it. So I could wear like something like very form-fitting and slinky underneath. But it also works if I were to wear like a little short dress as well that maybe has a little bit more volume. And the length is perfect. Like if I was wearing like a mini dress, something like right above the knee, you wouldn't have too much of the dress poking out underneath where it looks awkward. So yeah, I absolutely love it. And I push the sleeves up kind of Miami Vice style. But yes, I love this blazer. I love the fact that it's linen. It's also fully lined. I think this one is 50 bucks and it comes in a tan color. I'm gonna do another video and just show you guys because I've added a lot of new stuff to my closet. So maybe I'll do like a styling video for you guys and do this jacket some more justice because this dress is terrible. But in any case, hopefully you guys can use your imagination and get the picture here. So there we go. All right, peeps, so I wanted to end this video with a bang, and I think that I definitely achieved that with this dress. I love it so much. I don't want to take it off. So this is another piece from the H&M Wildflower collection. If you watch my initial review video that I did a while back, you know how enamored I am with that collection. It's just like everything that I want to wear this spring and summer. So this dress was not released initially. I had to like wait and like stalk it online before they finally put it in stock, and my patience paid off. I am in love. So it's a linen blend, and it has that square neckline and the smocking detail that I really love. I love these romantic sleeves with a little frill around the wrist. For a bit of a different look, you can also push the sleeves up so that the frill isn't showing, but I like it both ways, so I can't decide. But I feel so beautiful in this dress. So this is what I wore for Mother's Day. Eric and Christian took me out to dinner at one of my favorite restaurants, La Grande Boucherie in Midtown, and I just felt like a fairy princess. I felt so regal actually wearing this outfit. So if I could wear one dress for like a month straight, no, that would be nasty. Okay, if I could have one dress, maybe multiples of it for a month. No, I like variety. In any case, I really like this dress. All right, guys, that is a wrap. Like I said, I didn't do too much damage on this particular trip to H&M. So I absolutely love the quality of the LEMLEM pieces. I'm definitely keeping that pink linen dress. I'm on the fence about this one. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Should I keep it or should I just send it back? We'd love to hear your thoughts. So as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in, listening to me talk about clothes. I love making these videos, and I love you guys so much for tuning in to my little corner of YouTube. If you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I put out videos weekly, sometimes twice, and as always, stay classy and stay fabulous.